that is the most outrageous extension I've ever heard.
Illinois Senator Dick Durbin today denounced the new law that just took effect in Texas, banning abortion after the 6th week of pregnancy. In a major victory for pro-life supporters, the U.S. Supreme Court did not block this new rule.
Abortion rights backers say the new law violates that landmark Supreme Court decision, Roe v. Wade. Let's bring our political editor, Mike Flannery, with more reaction to this. Mike?
Well, Sally and Anthony, a West suburban lawyer who has long worked to reduce abortion here and elsewhere in the U.S., is delighted that the Supreme Court has not, at least so far, blocked this new Texas law.
So the number of abortions in Texas is going to go way down. As a person who's also pro-life, I'm glad to see it. This is, abortion doesn't, the word abortion isn't in the United States Constitution. So if the people of Texas want to protect children after a heartbeat, why shouldn't they be able to? That's why we have 50 states. Look, in our state of Illinois, we've got leaders that have said they want to protect abortion up to 9 months.
Indeed, Governor Pritzker wrote in a statement that he is proud Illinois has, quote, the most comprehensive law in the nation to protect women's rights to make their own health care decisions, no matter what happens at the Supreme Court. Many other Illinois Democrats made similar comments today. The innovation in this new Texas law is that it empowers private citizens to sue abortion clinics or anyone else who assists a woman in ending a pregnancy. If the lawsuit were to be successful, defendants would have to pay $10,000 to the person who sued them.
I can't predict what the federal courts will do with this, but that is the most outrageous extension I've ever heard of standing in court.
Now, while it sounds technical, this issue of standing in court, in fact, court orders blocking previous anti-abortion laws in other states have told the state officials not to enforce them. They've been enjoined from enforcing them. This new Texas law says state officials won't enforce it. Private citizens will by filing lawsuits and collecting their $10,000 per case. I'm Fox 32 Chicago's political editor, Mike Flannery.